Hey there, future homeowners. Buying your first home is a huge step, but it can feel overwhelming, especially when you're on a budget and prioritize safety. But guess what? It's absolutely possible to find an affordable home in a safe neighborhood. Today, we're breaking down the steps to make your dream a reality. Define your budget and priorities. Before you even start browsing listings, let's get real about your finances. Figure out how much you can comfortably afford each month for your mortgage. Then, make a list of your must-haves and nice-to-haves. Are you willing to compromise on square footage for a better neighborhood? Prioritize what matters most to you. Research neighborhoods thoroughly. Safety first. Dive deep into potential neighborhoods. Check crime rates, school ratings, and the overall vibe. Drive around at different times. Talk to locals. Get the inside scoop. Partner with a knowledgeable real estate agent. A good realtor is your secret weapon. They know the market inside out and can find hidden gems. Find an agent who specializes in affordable homes and understands your safety concerns. Explore different financing options. Don't assume you can't afford it. There are tons of programs and grants out there to help first-time buyers. Talk to a mortgage lender and explore all your options. Be patient and persistent. House hunting takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't find the one immediately. Keep searching, stay positive, and be ready to make offers when the right home comes along. Negotiate strategically. With your realtor's help, craft a strong offer that balances your budget with the market value. Be prepared to negotiate, but don't be afraid to walk away if the deal isn't right. Consider homes that need a little TLC. If you're handy, a fixer-upper can be a great way to get into a safe neighborhood at a lower price. Just factor in renovation costs and make sure the project is manageable. Don't overlook up-and-coming neighborhoods. Look for areas on the rise. These neighborhoods can offer great value and potential for appreciation. Do your research and consider the future of the area. Trust your instincts. When you find a home that feels right, trust your gut. If it's safe, affordable, and makes you happy, go for it. Buying your first home is an exciting adventure. With patience, persistence, and these tips, you can find the perfect place to call your own. Happy house hunting. Remember, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This shows sellers you're serious. Be flexible. Be open to different types of homes and neighborhoods. Don't be afraid to walk away. If it's not right, keep looking. Thanks for watching.